Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is 3 sexy smooth jazz licks, guitar licks, yo. So before let's get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Basic membership is for free. To download all files you need a premium membership upgrade. So what's the sexy smooth jazz licks? Will be something like this. I just created them for you, they're awesome. And so on. You see, it's kind of a cool stuff. I would call them really sexy, smooth jazz guitar licks. So let's check them out. Okay guys, let's get started. We are in the key of A minor. A minor is a really convenient key because somehow it works pretty fine on guitar. So the first lick is just on one string. That will be this. I have a slight distortion. I really would work. I will switch off the delay now. I'll talk about delay afterwards. The delay is set on the quarter note of the beat and has 7 repeats. Should have, not only 3. However, okay, so the first lick is here. We're on the G string and we're playing in a horizontal way, and I really enjoy playing like this. I'm a piano player beside guitar player, so for me playing this way, horizontal, is way more normal. So, and you can have way different ways of expressions. So we just move up. Started with the index finger, 2nd fret, sliding the 5th to the 4th, to the 7th, to the 5th, to the 12th, and then you go in a wide vibrato. And you see the position of the hand is like this, and really stay relaxed. It's just with delay it sounds cool. And you can play it at any kind of tempo, but I would recommend quarter triplets. What are quarter triplets? Quarter triplets are 6 notes per 4 beats. That's this here. Also, the way you create the dynamics in the whole thing is really essential. By just sliding up, you start strong. Go back with the intensity, and the end you ramp it up with the vibrato. And with the vibrato, you can also ramp up the volume again. If you really want to make it especially sexy, then you go down with the volume more. And now you ramp up the volume again. It's really cool lick, and it's not so hard to play. Well, the expression is the main part of it, that you have this really smooth and soft, That's really nice. I'm gonna show afterward how you integrate this stuff with your normal pentatonic playing or your normal bluesy playing. So let's get to the second lick. That will be, let's do this. Switch off the delay again. I really love this one here. Starts here in the 9th fret. This is like a A5 chord, 9, 10, 12, And I play with sweep picking, so down, down, down. Then you go back in the 7th fret and you play a G, so you go up with a A minor or A5 and down with a G, sorry. So 7, 8, 7. So, and with the picking you go down, 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 up, up. So it's a sweep picking lick. And from here slide down, same method as before with the simple lick. And now resolve it here from 5 to 2. Same technique again, just sliding down. And then go into vibrato. It's really nice and smooth. Combination with the first lick. Let's do it. 1, 3, boom. What also makes a really important part of the smoothness is the vibrators. Accelerate to the end. See, and that way the delay which is on your sound can really pop in. See, it's really important. So let's get to the 3rd lick. I really love that one. This one here. So that's a little bit hard to understand for some of you probably. We are playing a C major 9 arpeggio. So 8 fret, 7, 10, 9, 7. So that's the C major 7 arpeggio. We're going back here in the 7th fret. Then again we play C major 9 arpeggio. Here, 10, 9, 8, 7, 10. See, first. And we put this note in between again. Now we will resolve it, slide up in the 12. Slide up. And then slide into 15. It's a really nice one. It's my favorite one. You can play it in different ways. You can play with sweep picking. Down, down, down. Or like here you make down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you go to normal picking again. Just to do this one here, you make it a sweep picking. Down, 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 down. Now up. Slide up. You don't attack, and here you attack again. Really nice one. I'll wait till the 1 comes. Here. 2, 3. Did you hear the difference? First with sweep picking. Sweep picking. The next one with alternate picking. different intensity. When you play with sweep picking, you sound way more smooth, but it's a harder technique, I must say. So you can choose whatever you want. And on the vibrato, the same rule as all, accelerate till the end and whap, go away. So let's sum it up. 3 licks. I really love them. I must just created them for you guys. Now you can make combination with normal licks, which you know in A minor. Now the licks come in. And you see when you then, and sorry I was switching in German, when you then go to A minor pentatonics back, it doesn't sound boring or just overused, it sounds interesting, you know. When you have a contrast between different vibes and different colors in your soloing, then you really have a strong expression. That's what is really cool. And the main thing is the smoothness and the sexiness of the whole thing. You probably get a lot of phone numbers, guys, if you play like this. You can send me your comments about that if you want, guys. I will be really curious. Yeah, no, but that's the main thing, to have polarities and to have contrast, and that makes things interesting. Yeah, guys, that was 3 sexy smooth jazz guitar licks. Tell me your stories if you got phone numbers when you played in a club or somewhere. I don't go out so much anymore, I must say. I'm more the nature guy. I go forests and stuff like that. But I would really would be curious if it works. Yeah, one more to say about this. If you want to download the backing track and the tabs for this, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please also join there. For the basic membership, it's free. Discuss, interact, find new friends, and please share my channel to all your guitar pals. Help me grow my channel, support my channel if you love what I'm doing. It needs to grow to survive. And I cannot do it without your help, so please help me doing that, because I'm busy creating content and you can start spreading the word for me. That would be I really would appreciate that. And by the way, on the link is the description box below. There is also my other artist work is on one website, but it's the HPCrazy Guitar Academy and just my music, what you hear here. And also, I already told you that my piano playing stuff is also there. Good. So me and Dr. Pink are playing a little bit for you and saying goodbye.